Hello viewers, recently I have received a beta update, that is iPadOS 26.1 beta 3 version. After iPadOS 26.0.1 stable version, Apple is pushing iPadOS beta 26.1. In the previous update, many users are complaining about battery drainage issue, screen flickering issue, and some performance issue was there. So this update will definitely fix the bugs that were available in the previous update. But before that, you can see that this is the scenario of storage. Now I will update my iPad 10th generation to the latest version, that is iPadOS 26.1 beta version. The update size is about 9 GB. So finally I have updated my iPad to the latest beta version. I will check the screen flickering issue and then I will check the multimedia consumption, and also I will talk about the battery life. As you can see here, the build number of this iPadOS 26.1. Many users are complaining about screen flickering, but there is no screen flickering after this beta version. So in respect of multimedia consumption, there is no problem. It can play 2K videos. As you can see here, I will switch to 2K videos and it can easily play these 60 FPS videos. If I go into the wallpaper section, there is no added wallpaper in this update. All the wallpapers and lock screens are previously available. So all the customizations options are as it is. There is nothing new in terms of customization in the wallpaper section. These clock styles and widgets and liquid glass design was available after iPadOS 26. I think this update will bring battery fix, and I can say about the battery life after using it for a couple of days, so stay tuned for that video also. At the time of updating, the back of this device was getting very hot, but after update I did not feel any kind of heating issue. I can say about the battery drainage and heating issue only using it for a couple of days, so stay tuned for the review video of iPadOS 26.1 public beta 3 version. So in the conclusion, don't update your iPad to the latest beta version if you are not a developer or a content creator. Wait for the final review of iPadOS 26.1 beta version. Soon Apple will release stable iOS 26.1 update. Then you can definitely install the stable version. So wait for the review video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.